Hello, I'm No Hang Long.
And welcome to the Super Memory for Schools programme. Welcome to our new lesson of Family and Friends Special Edition Grade 3. Unit 11, Look at All the Animals. Lesson 5, Skills Time. Okay, so now let's begin. First, let's have a look at the picture and tell me what you can see. What is in the picture? Can you see the children? What are they doing? They are going on a picnic, right? Okay. What about this man? He is going hiking. Right. So do you know what these are? These are flyers. The flyers are about the trips. So in this lesson, you will learn to read and understand an information flyer. Okay, next. Look and tell me what you can see in this picture. The students, right? The animals, the trees, and also the farmer. From this picture, can you guess what the reading is about? First, you will answer my question before you read. Question number 1. Where is the school trip to? Maybe it's to the park, to the zoo or museum. You can guess that. And question number 2. How many rules are there? As you know, when you go somewhere, for example when you go to school or to the museum, there are rules. So you're going to read and tell me the rules. Now, let's begin. Listen and read.
Listening 124. Listen and read. On Wednesday, there is a school trip to a farm. There are sheep, cows, goats, and horses at the farm. There are also fruit trees, mangoes, oranges, and pears. Don't be late for school. The bus leaves at 9 o'clock. We go back to school at 3 o'clock. Bring your lunchbox and a drink. Wear your sun hats. Here are the rules for the farm. 1. Don't touch the animals. 2. Don't feed the animals. 3. Don't open the gates. The animals can run away. 4. Listen to the farmer. Enjoy your trip.
Now, let's come back to our question. Question 1. Where is the school trip to? Can you remember? Is it to the zoo? Is it to the museum? No. Right. So it is to the farm. As you can see in the first picture, there are a lot of farm animals and the farmer as well, right? And question 2. How many rules are there? There are 4 rules. Okay. Next, we are going to look at the reading again. There are some new words I want to teach you today. So let's see the first one. Look at the picture and tell me what you can see. Can you see the students? Where are they? They are at a farm. What do they have? Bags. So now let's listen and repeat.
Trip,
One more time.
trip,
Okay, so the students have a trip to the farm. They have a trip to the farm. The second one. Look at the picture. What can you see? What is it? It's a bus, right? Listen and repeat.
leave,
Listen again.
leave,
And one more time.
leave.
The word here is leave, okay? And in the picture, the bus leaves at 9 o'clock. The third one. Let's see. What can you see here? There is a girl, right? What does she have? She has lots of books. So listen and repeat.
Bring.
One more time.
Bring.
Okay, last one.
Bring.
Okay, the word here is bring. And in this picture, the girl brings lots of books. Next one. Can you see the boy and a dog? What is the boy doing? Listen and repeat.
Run away.
One more time.
Run away.
Last one.
Run away.
Okay, run away. Look, the boys run away. Okay, so these are 4 new words I need you to know and remember from the reading. So let's come back to the reading and then answer my question. Question 1. Which animals can the children see? Question number 2. Which trees can they see? Question number 3. What time does the bus leave? Question number 4. Can the children bring food? And question number 5. Can they touch the animals? Okay, so let's come back to the reading of question 1. Which animals can the children see? As you can see, on Wednesday there is a school trip to a farm. There are sheep, cows, goats and horses at the farm. So the children can see sheep, cows, goats and horses. Let's take your pen and write down the answer. They can see the sheep, cows, goats and horses. Okay, question 2. Which trees can they see? As you see this line, there are also fruit trees, mangoes, oranges and pears. So take your pen and then write down the answer. They can see fruit trees, mangoes, oranges and pears. Very good. Question 3. What time does the bus leave? So let's have a look at lines 1, 2, 3 and 4. The bus leaves at 9 o'clock. So the answer here is the bus leaves at 9 o'clock. You got it. Next one. Question 4. Can the children bring food? And let's have a look here. Bring your lunchbox and a drink. So you know a lunchbox? What is in the lunchbox? Of course, our food, right? So, yes they can, because in the lunchbox there is lots of food. And question 5. Can they touch the animals? This is one of the rules. Look here. Don't touch the animals. It means don't do this. The correct answer is no, they can't. Okay, so we go through the questions to understand more about the reading.